beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing Morphe's new Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer with SPF in it and one of their new cream blushes. If you guys want to see how I did this look using these products, don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get on into the video. Alright, so today's video is actually really exciting for me, at least, because the face of this campaign, Lauren Giraldo, I have been keeping up with her and I've been following her since like early Vine days. So it's really cool to see someone that I've watched grow on social media and stuff become the face of this campaign. And I remember when she posted her picture saying that she wants to be, her goal is to be the face of a beauty campaign. And I remember in LA when she was taking makeup lessons and stuff, and now to see where she is it's really inspiring, and it's really cool to see, like, if you really do put your heart and soul into something and hard work and determination, you can make it happen. Especially because I really do think that Lauren is very authentic and she's a very genuine person, so it's really cool to see someone that I watch a lot and someone who inspires me on a daily basis. Like, her videos, you guys, are so good. I will literally be in my bed, and if I'm like, okay, I'm gonna film today, and if I ever have just like a lack of motivation or lack of creativity that day, like, I will always throw on her videos because they're just so not only motivating and inspiring but very uplifting, and you can just tell like she loves to do what she's doing, and I love to do what I'm doing too, but sometimes we all just need a little extra boost. Okay, so this, I guess, new drop from Morphe is really cool. So it's their Glow Center Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 30 in it, and I also picked up their cream blush as well, and then I got a free brush, and I got the free M444. So I will be using these three products. These three products are what I'm going to be reviewing in today's video. So I just showered. My hair is like a little bit wet, so I did my toner, my hyaluronic acid, my eye cream. And so now let's put on this. I'm gonna read though what this is and kind of give you guys the tea on that, and then we can dip more into the review. I am the shade Light Glow 3 in this. Get glowing protection for your skin with this ultimate multitasking sunscreen that is infused with powerful skin perfecting ingredients like hyaluronic acid, AHAs, and antioxidants. This lightweight formula provides SPF 30 protection and a hydrating glow for a natural looking, non-greasy finish. Totally sheer and buildable, the finish easily blends into skin and stretches to fit multiple skin depths and undertones. The 15 tints provide a full range for all skin tones, including light, medium, tan, rich, and deep. So love that, because I feel like in the summer, you know, we're all trying to protect our skin and we all go out and do things, and there's definitely times where you want that little hint, skin tint kind of vibe in there with the sunscreen. So it's nice that it all comes in one now. Okay, so they say you can use brush, fingers, hands, anything like that. Next, we'll talk about the cream blush, and this one's in the shade Sweet Scandal. And these are new. There's 5 shades. You're in control with this unique lightweight formula infused with nourishing rosehip oil and vitamin E for an easy buildable pop. Today, I think I'm just gonna apply this. I'm gonna go for a very natural makeup look today. I'm actually going to the beach. Let's go to the beach. And so I wanna do a really nice little something to my face. Like, I don't wanna just go bare face, but I don't wanna have a full face. We're stepping out of our comfort zone, ladies. Typically, I'm an all or nothing kind of girl, a full face or nothing, and I'm trying to break that barrier for myself, and I'm happy these products are gonna help me. I'm gonna do the Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer, the blush, maybe a little bit of cream bronzer, my eyebrows, some mascara. To some people, I understand how that can be a lot. To me, that's like breaking the barrier. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna put a little on my face and take my very dirty microfiber sponge and pounce that into my skin. Okay, so it has a very light scent of like sunscreen, which I don't mind at all because I kind of like that smell in the summer. It reminds me of sunshine and fun activities, so I don't mind it. It's not super strong, especially when it's on your face. Okay, I definitely like putting it on with the sponge more than I did with like the fingers or the brush, because I didn't really love the application of the fingers or the brush compared to the microfiber sponge. So the application with the sponge is definitely my favorite. I didn't love the application with the brush or my fingers because I felt like it was too much of pulling of the product and kind of separating it, I felt like the sponge really helped to bounce it out and lay it down gently, which I liked more of that. I personally just found that to work better for me. So just looking at the product on its own, I thought that it laid this very subtle, beautiful, glowy look. And it smelled a little bit like sunscreen, but honestly, I can't even smell it anymore. It feels really light on my skin and it doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't look greasy. And honestly, I feel like it just kind of balances my skin tone out. It's not gonna like cover any acne or anything. They said the product was buildable. I like that it has SPF 30 because we all know sunscreen is important. We want that young skin when we're older. Okay, so off camera, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, mascara, and a little bit of bronzer. And then when I come back, we'll apply the cream blush and see what we think about this baby. So I will be right back and we'll get on into it. Okay, I am back with a little bit of eyebrows, mascara, a tad of contour, and my lip products. Okay, so I'm ready now for the cream blush, and again, this is in the shade Sweet Scandal. And I tried it on my hand when I went into the store yesterday to get these products, and I will say, like, it dried down on my hand really nicely and didn't budge. So I feel like this is definitely the perfect summer product for you to be able to like swim in if you want to add a little bit of blush, or like you're not good. It's sweat proof pretty much because it dried down into my skin really nicely and it had a very pretty shade and tone to it. So I'm really excited to try this blush. I'm definitely going to use my sponge to blend it out, and I'm also going to use a little amount just to start. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with just adding a little dot at the high points of my cheek, and then I'm gonna blend that out. Wow, that gives just such a pretty little glow. Okay, I really loved that because it went on really nicely, and I feel like I didn't apply that much product, but it gave like a little bit of kick to the skin and made it look very naturally sun-kissed. I feel like it's perfect with the mix of the Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer. It gives you, I think that the blush and the tinted moisturizer really help to give you like that natural summer glow and healthy skin that you're looking for while keeping your skin protected at the same time. I feel like it's giving you that very natural, easy to do, quick and fast makeup look, but it helps you feel your best and look your best at the same time while putting minimal work or effort into it, and it kind of enhances your natural beauty in itself. So I'm definitely super excited about these products. I will definitely be using them more because I really like them. I feel my skin looks very healthy, looks very glowy, and I'm excited about that SPF in there, that my face is protected from the sun and the UV rays. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this review. Don't be afraid to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, beauties.